Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Manasi, a dermatologist with over a decade of experience. And today I'm here to talk to you about your skin barrier. What is it? How to know if it's damaged? And what can you do to fix it? Let's find out. So what is your skin barrier? Your skin barrier is the outermost layer of your skin, also known as the stratum corneum. Think of it as your personal winter coat. It works to lock in the hydration, saving your skin from the dry winter air, and helps to also lock out any allergens, pollutants, or irritants. But how do you know if your skin barrier is damaged? Well, you'll start seeing it as increased sensitivity, which means that products that did not bother you before start causing irritation. You may also experience increased dryness, which means that your skin will be tight and flaky and rough even after moisturizing. Your skin may also look dull, which means it will lack its usual glow. So how to winterproof your skin barrier? Start with gentle cleansers. Over-cleansing can often lead to stripping your skin of its natural oils, further increasing the dryness. Look for creamy or hydrating cleansers with ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Pro tip, you can also go for sulfate-free options. Moisturize with ceramides and fatty acids. Ceramides are naturally occurring lipids that are found in your skin. When they get depleted in your skin, you start seeing an increased irritation to allergens and pollutants. Adding ceramides back in your routine will help to bridge any gaps in your skin barrier and prevent transepidermal water loss, making your skin healthy and supple. Pro tip, look for ingredients formulated with not just ceramides but also cholesterol and fatty acids to further help boost your skin barrier. Avoid over-exfoliation. While exfoliation is great for glowing skin, you might want to limit it to once or a maximum of twice a week during winters. If you feel like your skin barrier is damaged, you can even downgrade your exfoliant, meaning you can either decrease the percentage of the active ingredient or you can change the ingredient. You can go from a high-potency exfoliant like glycolic acid to a milder one like lactic acid or even mandelic acid, which is even more gentle. For BHAs, you can go from a 2% salicylic acid to a 1% or even change it entirely to betaine salicylate, which is much more gentle. Pro tip, when in doubt, skip exfoliation until your skin feels normal again. Incorporate a hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a hydration hero. It's naturally present in our skin but depletes as we age. By holding up to 1000 times its weight in water, hyaluronic acid helps to keep your skin plump and smooth and also decreases the appearance of fine lines. Layer it under your moisturizer for maximum benefits. Pro tip, I'm sure you already know this, but applying hyaluronic acid on damp skin will help give it moisture to attract, maximizing its hydration. Apply sunscreen daily. Winter sun can still harm your skin barrier, and a compromised skin barrier will lead to water loss, causing dryness and dehydration. Go for a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours, and don't forget areas like your ears, neck and hands. Pro tip, look for sunscreens with ingredients like ceramides and hyaluronic acid to hydrate and nourish the skin while protecting it. Say no to harsh ingredients. Avoid alcohol-based toners. Instead, you can opt for a creamy toner with ingredients like ceramides. And if you're somebody with sensitive skin, stay away from heavily fragranced products or those that contain essential oils. So let's bust some myths about the skin barrier, especially important in the winter. Myths: I don't need to moisturize my skin because I have oily skin. But fact: winters can dehydrate all skin types, including oily skin. Using a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer will ensure that your skin barrier stays intact while also preventing clogged pores. Exfoliating daily gives me glowing skin. But fact: in winters, exfoliating daily can strip your skin barrier entirely, making your skin dry and irritated. Limit exfoliation to a maximum of once or twice a week and use gentler ingredients like lactic acid or mandelic acid. Myth: sunscreen is only for sunny days. But fact: UV rays can penetrate clouds as well, so sunscreen is essential all year round. Go for a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Remember, if your skin still feels red, irritated or flaky despite following these tips, it's time to visit a dermatologist. Your skin barrier is your BFF in winters, so treat it with kindness. By following these tips, you'll definitely see a world of difference. If you have any questions about your skin barrier, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SSBeauty for more dermatologist-approved skincare tips.